Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share that how to start affiliate marketing with no money. If you have ever bought something and influencer recommended online, you have come across an affiliate marketing business. Online creators often build partnership with brands to promote its products and services. In return, they earn a commission for each sale. Affiliate marketing is a growing industry. According to Statista, affiliate marketing spend is set to reach $8.2 billion during 2022 in the US alone. However, the problem for many beginners affiliate marketers is the upfront costs, including buying a domain name, e-commerce hosting, courses, books, etc. So the question is, can you start for free? The answer is yes. This guide will help you understand how to make money with affiliate marketing without upfront costs and give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to get started. So first of all, I will tell you how does affiliate marketing work. Affiliate marketing is a process of earning commission from recommending a product or service offered by other businesses. As a business model, it's highly profitable because the business pays you for every referred sale. Not all affiliate programs are the same, though some will pay different percentages of commission, others will offer a fixed bonus, and some will offer free products or services in return. With time and hard work, successful affiliate marketing can turn your side hustle into a profitable business venture. Now, why is affiliate marketing a good business model? At this point, you might be thinking a business built on recommendation sounds too good to be true. While it's good to have a healthy dose of skepticism, according to PayScale, the average affiliate marketer in the US makes around $52,000 a year. Not bad for recommending products, right? It's possible to make a living from affiliate marketing because it's a profitable business model. Here's why. I will tell you some points. Because it has a low risk, businesses only need to pay out when you make a successful referral. For affiliate, your cost can stay low if there are any at all, so you can only lose time if you don't hit the right mark. It's a win-win for everyone. The business benefits from the sales you bring in and then rewards you in return. However, customers also benefit from having a trusted recommendations to satisfy their needs wants. Number 3, you can work from anywhere in the world. If you have ever dreamed of living the digital norm life, affiliate marketing can help you call anywhere your workplace. So be sure to obey any work-related tax or labor laws. You can build a passive income. Creating a library of quality content takes time, but after a while you will find that content you have already created still generates affiliate commissions months, even years later. Affiliate marketing, especially when you are a beginner with no startup money, takes long-term thinking. There are many free platforms for creators to consider when starting out as affiliate marketers. So, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, blogging, you can create an account for free on these platforms and start creating content right away. Affiliate networks offer new marketers free and easy access to thousands of reputable affiliate programs you can join right away. How to start affiliate marketing with no money? The journey to becoming an affiliate marketer can seem daunting at first, but if you break it down into smaller steps, achieving your goals becomes a lot easier. Number 1, find a niche. The best way to succeed in affiliate marketing is by establishing yourself with a niche. A niche is the topic you will become an authority on. Some of the best niches includes hobbies, travel, photography, golfing, outdoors. Number 2, money. Bitcoin, personal finance, credit cards, investing. Number 3, health, fitness, nutrition, vegan, weight loss, yoga. Lifestyle, in a lifestyle, luxury, airlines, fashion, jewelries, etc. And according to homes, in the homes niche, baby products, dogs, plants, security. Tech niche, web hosting, VPN, gaming, software. A niche is that if you recommend lots of different types of products, people won't see you as the expert they can trust. Whereas if you only recommend a specific type of product and create content about it, then people can see you have experience in that area. It also helps you further down the line with search engine optimization on social media and your affiliate website if you choose to build one later. So how do you choose your niche? You want to start with niche that have a high chance to profitability. For example, our research found that business related programs have some of the highest commissions, while clothing or books and media have some of the lowest. However, these aren't your only options, and some niches work better than others on particular platforms. Keep in mind that affiliate marketing isn't get rich quick. You will need to have at least some personal interest in your niche to keep you going. After selecting a niche, you will go to the choose an affiliate program. Once you have decided on a niche, the next step is choosing what affiliate programs to join. It makes sense to choose a program or affiliate products that align with your niche. For example, lots of YouTube channels promote virtual private network. Their audience can watch them anywhere in the world. A more specific example would be vegan fitness and lifestyle educators. Now, number 3, decide on a traffic source. At this point, you will need to start thinking about your traffic source. People often make the mistake of thinking you must become a blogger with a dedicated website, which costs money. So it is helpful to have one later when you feel able to reinvest in your business and scale upward. It's not essential. You can start generating affiliate income using other free traffic sources such as social media platforms, YouTube, and forum-based sites like Reddit and Quora. Number 4 point is create content to build trust. No matter which platforms you decide to use for affiliate marketing efforts, the next step is to start creating content that builds trust with your target audience. In 2020, internet users worldwide spend on average 145 minutes per day on social media. What keeps us online for over 2 hours a day? Great content. Building a content library takes time, so it's good idea to plan ahead and create a content calendar or strategy. Your calendar can include outlines of what type of content you will be published on any given day, such as tutorials, question and answers, products reviews, house tours, and tips and tricks. And when coming up with your content strategy, also keep in mind a keyword strategy, especially for YouTube SEO if you choose YouTube as your platform. After all, even high quality content can get lost in the noise if you don't optimize it for search results. You can figure out which keywords to use with a little research. Using YouTube as an example, try searching for your competitors' channels and see what the videos are their most popular ones, and pay attention to the video title, description, and tags they have used. And of course, don't forget to include links to your affiliate products or services, and add a disclaimer that explains they are affiliated. 6th point is a respond and chat with your audience. The last tip for growing your affiliate marketing business is engaging with your audience. Generating a conversation not only helps your followers or subscribers feel heard, but also works in your favor for social media algorithms. When people interact with your content, it's generally a signal for algorithms to say that your stuff is worth boosting and showing to more people who might be interested. On TikTok, for example, when you like and respond to comments on your videos, those comments will have a special badge that says liked by creator, which stands out against other comments. These interactions are important as they tell your audience that you do read and appreciate their thoughts. As a result, you are more likely to interact with your future content and maybe even encourage others to do so. Responding to your audience also lets you find out what they might want from you in terms of future content, a win-win situation. So I hope these tips and tricks helps you a lot in starting your affiliate marketing business. And affiliate marketing doesn't have to come up with upfront investment. Taking the steps outlined in this guide can be a relatively risk-free way of starting your journey. The only cost is your time and effort. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.